Hello student, today I am going to teach you adding and removing a worksheet. Topic is related to same chapter MS Excel 2010. It is a part of computer, and before this topic I have already told you some various topic regarding this chapter, like entering data in a worksheet using autofill feature, and last video performing calculation and autosum. So now I am going to teach you adding and removing a worksheet from the workbook. It is a part of MS Excel. So the first topic is adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, select the sheet before you want to place a new worksheet. First of all, student, you have to choose where you want to add or remove a sheet. So you have to select the sheet number like 1, 2, 3. Understand? Then right click on the sheet tab and select the insert option. The insert dialog box appears. After that, right click on the sheet tab and select the insert option. The insert dialog box will appear. You can observe that the insert dialog box will appear, and select the worksheet option and click on OK. After that, you have to select worksheet, then after click on OK. Then you will notice a new worksheet get inserted before the selected worksheet. Then after, student, you can observe that a new worksheet get inserted before the selected worksheet. Understand? Then click on the insert worksheet icon. You can see the icon how it looks present next to the end of the sheet 3 tab. A new worksheet will appear at the end. So after this process, you can get your new worksheet. Understand? The next topic is removing a worksheet. So it is also like this. Place the mouse pointer on the worksheet tab. You have to first of all move your mouse on the worksheet tab that you want to delete. Put over your mouse pointer on the worksheet tab. Then after, right click on the worksheet tab. You have to right click, then select the delete option. Understand? Otherwise, you can select the delete option in the cell group in the home tab. Understand? This is the second method how you delete or remove a worksheet. You can go in the home tab, then after in the cell groups you can select the delete option. Then further select the delete sheet option from the sub menu list. You can also select delete sheet option from the sub menu list. Understand? So now the next topic is saving a workbook. You have already studied about adding or removing. Now you should know how can you save your file. How can you save your workbook? To save a workbook, follow given steps. You have to follow these steps to save any file in MS Excel or workbook. Understand? So first point is click on the file tab. First of all, you have to click on the file tab. You know, various tabs are given at the ribbon. The first tab you can see that is was file. So click on it and select the save option. The save as dialog box will appear. You can observe that how it looks. You can see the figure 6.6 save as dialog box. Then select the drive and folder where you want to save the workbook. After that, you can select the drive where you want to put your file for future use. Then type the file name in the file name text box. After that, you should type your name of your file in the file name text box. Then click on the save button. After that, your file will be saved, and the file will be saved in a extension .xlsx. Understand? So it is a file extension of MS Excel files. Understand? So this is the chapter you can understand. So some tips also I will tell you. That is, you can save your file using the key combination Ctrl+S. So this is the shortcut key for saving your file, Ctrl+S. Then you can also select save button on quick access toolbar. you can see quick access toolbar above the file tab. You can also go through it and save. Click on save button, then your file will be saved. F2 key is Microsoft Excel displays the save as dialog box. If you want to open your save as dialog box automatically in a shortcut time, you can click on F2 key in Microsoft Excel and you can observe the save as dialog box will appear. Understand? So this is the tabs, so you can learn. So this is the video you have studied about MS Excel 2010. You can understand it by watching again. So thank you.